Hello everyone, I am Mansa. I am here to discuss some of the questions regarding Node.js. First question, what is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache and PHP? Node.js is an open source server-side JavaScript runtime environment that allows developers to build and run server application using JavaScript. Whereas Apache and PHP is commonly used as a scripting language which is very easy for beginners and is designed for a web. The main differences between the Node.js and Apache and PHP is Node.js provides a non-blocking I/O model to provide high concurrency and performance, whereas Apache and PHP serves web pages and handling dynamic content. Coming to the second question, what is callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? The main purpose of using the callback functions in asynchronous programming is the property of having the non-blocking. The callback function is the function that passed into another function with the expectation that the callback will be called at the appropriate time, and it is called at the completion of the given task. This prevents any blocking and allows other code to be run in the meantime. Whereas asynchronous function starts the task and then continue executing the next instruction in the program. When the asynchronous task is done, it can trigger a callback function. Coming to third question, what is the purpose of package.json file in a node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? Package.json file is essential for managing dependencies, running scripts, and providing metadata about your Node.js project. It uses npm to install, update, and manage packages and dependencies for your project. It also provides some key properties like version, description, main. Version indicates that the current version of a project, and description indicates that the brief description of the project, and main is the entry point for your code Node.js application. And dependencies, there are two types of dependencies, dependencies and dev dependencies. Dependencies packages required for production environment and should be installed when someone uses your package, whereas development dependencies, it doesn't require any installation when someone needs to be used that. Coming to the fourth question, explain the difference between require and import statements in Node.js. When and why would you use one over the other? Require and import statements, both are used to include external modules and their function in your JS code. They have different syntax and choice between them depends on various factors. The main difference between the require and asynchronous require and import packages: require is asynchronous and import is asynchronous. Require loads modules and it dependencies synchronously during initial module evaluation, means it blocks the execution of rest of code until the required module is fully loaded. Whereas import module, it refers to the loading of module until it is actually used in the code. Coming to the next question, what is the middleware in the context of Express.js? Can you give an example of how you would use middleware in the Express application? Coming to the middleware definition, middleware are the functions that are executed during the request response cycle of an Express application. They play a crucial role in processing incoming requests, performing tasks, modifying requests, and enabling the app to perform various operations in modular and organized manner. Coming to the next question, what is RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. RESTful API is the representational state transferful application program interface. It is an architectural style for designing networked applications used for building web services and are often used in the combination with HTTP. Coming to the next question, what is the purpose of the Node Package Manager (npm) and how do you use it to manage dependencies in a Node.js project? npm is a Node Package Manager, which is a powerful tool for managing the dependencies in the Node.js projects. It simplifies the process of installing, updating, and uninstalling packages, making it easier to work with third party libraries and modules in our Node.js applications. npm also provides tools for managing project dependencies, running scripts, and publishing packages for the npm registry. Coming to the next question, why is it important to hash passwords in a web application? Hashing password is critically important for server reasons like security and password reuse. For security means it protects the user data and sensitive information from unauthorized access, and it provides passwords confidentiality even administrators or developers with access to the database, and it cannot see or retrieve users plain text passwords. And whereas for password reuse, some users use the same password for multiple websites and services. If any attacker gains access to password on one site, then they may try to use those credentials on the other platform. Hashing password ensures that even it on one site, security is compromised, the attacker won't immediately gain access to the user's accounts on the other side. Thank you.